Kunanaku-ke baleke la usiphethe laba bita ngama-class antagonisms kule Marxism ne-Leninism. Into lekhona lapha macabana ukuthi kunale royal family lezihamba ngaphondo bese kuba nathi sinenkopi yakwana abantu manje amatipi yakwana sinebaleka lomasha siyamatipi yakwana sine sihlale siwaridi ukuthi ngabe nakuhanga kalamdleni. So kahle kahle la kangwane lokukhona namuhla kune royal family ilwa nebandla awafuna sibe clear manje inkinga lenkulu lesinayo i-royal family ilwa nebandla. Now yebo uqiniso ukuthi sifuna inkululeko sifuna idemocracy kodwa lesifuna kakhulu imali singaphiyele problem. Yes, I don't want you to misquote me. We want freedom, we want democracy, we want liberation, but let us be clear on that. Now, Assembly Research, June 29 complaints, nitaukumbula kahle bekhona bantu bebawashisa emathaya before June 29 bantu bebatoyitoya babawusiki bathi baqala nini ukuthi bantu babulala waqala nini uhulumeni ukubulala eMaswati waqala June 29. Why? Because young people bahamba bayoluta itolo. Okay. So if usasela itolo uluta usho ukuthi sokuthreatisha ini sikhwama semali se royal family. So ngicela sikubuke lo mehluko lo kuze ukuthi sitokonza kahle ukuthi yini le lebanga sibanga sikhwama semali ube bantu baqhubeka bashise emathaya emgwaqeni batoyitoya bangayi koluthatha intolo bekangeke akhiphe i-instruction eMswati ukuthi akubulale labantu manje. So le royal family seyibe ikhathane lelidla lengadi yala Maswati lokuhlobo we-comrades lokuthi eMaswati yonke leminyaka bekasolo abulawa indlala bathi nyalo lohulumende lesinaye sotimisele ukuthi asibulale ngedibhana simbonile abulala Thulani Maseko ekhaya lakhe embikubana wakhe nemfati wakhe. That is how far and wide this government is prepared to go to protect capital, to protect the economy. So advocatile ukuthi uma ngabe ubita ukuthi utawubulala kuze ukuthi aprotect isikhwama semali. Comrades, ngiphathele indaba lebuhlungu ukuthi njengoba nisha ligcolela kude umsebenzi enawuthola under this system. Beniso lelo lekufuna ukuthi lilade bangalabasha kule system le uma ngabe ni 100 babili noma bathathu labatawuthola umsebenzi. Now iproblemo ibeka ngokusobala ukuthi angeke i-liberation siyithole singakadibhanzakali lebantu labasha naboma-ke nalabangasebenzi labasemakhaya. Ungawona namhla iproblemo iphile kudibhanzakali nabo. Uthi-ke lomnye umbhali, the older you become, the less of a dreamer you become. Aphinde athi lomnye umbhali, you must question everything. Ibhalile insha nga June 29 yathi you mess with the wrong generation. Comrades, kukini bantu labasha kwekuthi nilivele likhululeko. labadzala sebayidlalile inzima yabo. Sekusele kubantu labasha ukuthi balwele inkululeko yabo nezintukulwane lezitawulandzela. Mawulandzela umlandvo noma ungabuka wase South Africa, bantfu labasha ngaJune 1976 labasukuma bafuna inkululeko. Sidzinga a revolutionary youth, comrades. That is all we need in this country. Angisho ukuthi konke kubanjwe youth, kodwa uma ngabe laSwatini singaba nebantfu labasha labangasukuma bathi sifuna inkululeko yethu manje, we can get freedom sooner than we expected. It was the youth that June 29 leyavala imigwaqo. It was the youth at June 29 leyabulawa kakhulu. Akusikho bantfu labadzala. Equally so, bantfu labasha lesibheke ukuthi batsatse emandla abo baphakamise imikhono bathi sifuna inkululeko. Amandla